Hey guys, I got Farmer John with me. We finished our Saturday morning chores and we decided to escape out to the store because we have to get a few things from Walmart. So we're going to check and see if they have any garden supplies. Let's go shopping at Walmart. We have some ornamental things here. Oh, this one has a solar, I think a solar light inside of it. That's interesting. I don't know how I feel about 13 bucks for this, but I'm a sucker for wind chimes. Okay, let's see what else they have.
Green Night.
So we have some burpee seeds out. What is that?
Green Night eggplant.
Oh, that's interesting. So these prices seem a little bit lower on the package, and I don't know if these are packaged specifically for Walmart, but Tractor Supply was offering theirs for a sale price, but it could be that the weight and contents of this is lower. I'm not really sure what's happening with this, but I think it's interesting that one place would have burpee on sale, but not another place. Now here's the All-American seed. This is a brand that's usually carried at most of the Dollar Tree stores. And you can see they only want 20 cents for some African daisies. I can tell you that there's some stuff in here, but for 20 cents, you know, you get multiple packs for $1. So, you know, that could be a deal. Oh, look, they have some garden beds for kids. $55 for this little garden bed. That's interesting.
Clearance.
Farmer John just saw some clearance items for $1. Oh, it's a double thing. You get a trowel and a diggy. I don't know, is that a real word? Does anybody else use that word, diggy? Or is it just me? But 2 things for $1? I mean, that's a pretty good deal.
Gardening trowel and cultivator. That's
yeah,
a cultivator.
Oh, it's a cultivator. Well, this looks like a little grill brush. Is that a grill brush?
Yes.
A little scrubby brush for $1? Wow. Barbecue cleaning tool. Some little plaques, some little pillows. All this is just $1. Make sure you get your Thanksgiving napkins in now, guys. It's almost spring. Some Hot Shot bed bug killer. Oh, alrighty then. Here's some items here for $42. It's a 3-tier garden bed made from cedar, and I think that it's this price because of the condition of the boxes. But you never know it. You know, that could be actually, you know, worth looking at. I'm certain every store doesn't have this, but it's a good time to come to your local Walmart and see if they have any gardening supplies on clearance. Now this is interesting. This big bag of Jiffy seed starting mix is $5.97 for 12 dry quarts. But I have made probably 3 times this amount myself in my greenhouse with all my peat moss and coco coir and perlite. I would have spent probably 3-4 times that amount just up to now, and I have plenty to go. So I think making your own seed mix is definitely the way to go. Let's see, some lawn fertilizers. Ah, yes, this is exactly what I'm looking for. Fertilizers for uppotting my seedlings. I think this hose, is the same brand that I got at Costco last week, and it was also 100 feet of 5/8 diameter, and it was 27, just under 28. They want $34.94 for the same hose. So Costco is definitely the better deal for that. There's some little birdhouses, some wild bird food, things for your little critters that you like to attract so you can take pictures and things of that sort. We don't feed the wild birds anymore though. We let them come feed off of our garden and eat all of our insects, because if you keep feeding them all of this bagged food, it makes them fat. It inhibits different sicknesses that they spread back and forth to each other. And before you know it, you've actually caused more problems for the wild birds by offering all of this food instead of just letting them eat the bugs and everything that they're supposed to eat. They sure are pretty, but if you don't take good care of this can cause big problems for a hummingbird because it inhibits bacteria that causes their egg shells to be very, very thin, and then that affects the population of hummingbirds. So be really careful with these things, you guys. I know you want to call the hummingbirds and they're beautiful to see, but if you provide real flowers for them, that's all they really need is flowers. They don't need any of this high sugar stuff here. It's very bad for their health. Lots of fairy and morse varieties available. Prices are good. So again, it seems like this packaging looks a little bit different to me, and I don't know if they just have a private label specifically for Walmart, but you know, I really don't pay that much attention to the different places carrying the same vendor of seeds. It just seems a little strange. I'll have to take a closer look when I go into Lowe's, but I have attention deficit, and oh my god, look, it's lupins. I am addicted to lupins. I might have to get some. So they have a worm casting product here that is $6.18 for 4 pounds. Now the stuff we got at Costco was $11 or $12, but that was 10 pounds. I think I'm going to use this for potting my seedlings because I'm just uncomfortable with a lot of these fertilizers this year. So we already have most of this stuff at home, so we were hoping to get something for up potting, but I'm just not really too comfortable with all of this stuff. Got some berries and grapes and things of that sort, very similar to what we saw at Tractor Supply on the last haul. Some begonias and dahlias. Wow, two dahlia bulbs for $5.42. Somehow I just don't think that sounds like a very good deal. But here's your garlic and potatoes and asparagus, some elephant ear, 3 bulbs for $3.24. Ooh, caladium. I love this stuff. There's more stuff back here. Peonies. Lots of flowers. Ooh, clematis. Daylilies, hostas. Lots of stuff here, you guys. More bulbs over here. Some tulips, some different begonias.
Blocks.
A few little ornamental items. Got the grills out. They don't really have a whole lot of stuff out, you guys, but all the stuff that we came here to look for is not in yet, but it looks like they're just starting to get loaded up now. And the thing about this is everything is just selling out so quickly, and they're getting inventory in once, and that's it. So if there's something in particular that you're looking for, you know, now's the time to start scouting out for it, because if you see it, you have to get it. So we're out here in our gardening yard, and it looks like they're starting to get everything set up now, but it is way early. I mean, it is only February. So, I mean, these pots are not as expensive as the pots that I'm seeing at Costco right now, but for $12.50, I don't know how long they're going to last. You might only get a couple seasons out of them before they crack if you're going to put them outside. So, I don't know. I need pots. I have a hardy hibiscus coming, and I'm going to need something to put them in, but I'm not really sure what to get here. I'm tired of buying stuff and having it crack on me the first season. So I'm here at another section in our Walmart, and they want $10.47 for 1 cubic foot of potting mix. That is definitely more expensive than what Costco is offering, and I know you're not all Costco members, but there's definitely competitive prices out there on this stuff. I mean, you would think this sort of thing should be just like one fixed price no matter where you go. I mean, it's just crazy. The prices of everything has gotten to be just too much. I mean, and it's not made well. This stuff cracks. It seems like it's affordable, but you're really you're buying junk. So, all right, it's cold out here. I'm going.
Yeah, we came to Walmart to get fish food and toilet paper, and then we got toilet paper, and of course I found 2 t-shirts, but no garden supplies. You got to do what you got to do, people. We're all human, right? We'll see you in the next video.